Hello everyone and welcome to Lot of Tech once again. So in today's video we'll be talking about these JBL TUNE 165 Bluetooth earphones. So let's start with the box and packaging. So these earphones come with Bluetooth connectivity and 8 hours of battery life on full charge. The earphones also come with inline microphone with volume control features, and also 15 minutes of charge is going to give you 1 hour of battery life. These earphones are priced at around 2399 and you will get these somewhere around 21 or 2200 on Amazon. So when you will unbox these earphones, what you will get inside is some amount of paperwork, one micro USB charging cable, two extra pair of ear tips, and the earphones itself. So talking about the design and build quality, the earphones are made completely out of plastic, and it's really a very good plastic, and you will realize it when you will actually hold these earphones in your hand. The earphones are available in plenty of trendy colors, and the one that I'm having is the teal color, and it comes in this kind of a teal and orange combination. If you look at the earpiece, you will find the JBL branding, like the JBL clearly written on one side and the JBL logo on the other side. Also, the left and right markings are very neat and precise, and the earphones come in this kind of a flat cable. And then you will also get an inline microphone with volume control features, which is also having the JBL branding. In order to charge these earphones, you have been provided with a micro USB port, which I believe is pretty much obsolete by today's standard, and they should have actually given a Type-C port. Apart from that, the earphones come with an inline microphone with volume control features, and these buttons are really very soft and tactile. Apart from that, these earphones are also magnetic, but in order to stick them together, both these earpieces should be in proper alignment or proper orientation. Whenever you're buying wireless earphones or neckbands, the most important thing is connectivity. So in order to connect these earphones, you have to press power button for 2 seconds. A white LED is going to blink, and once the pairing process has completed, the LED is going to turn blue. Now, I tried connecting these earphones with my Google Pixel 2 XL, which is running on latest version of Android, which is Android 11, and I didn't had any sort of issues related to the connectivity. Apart from that, I like that JBL has paid a lot of attention to detail. Like for example, these earphones are coming in teal color, and when you will open the Bluetooth menu, in that menu also the earphones will be shown in teal color, which is quite good. Now, if you are in any music player application, then first of all, you can use the center button, which is the end call button, to actually play and pause a song. And if you want to increase or decrease the volume of a song, then you have to press the volume up or down button multiple number of times. Now, this press is not a continuous press, by which I mean that if you want to achieve a certain volume level, then you have to press the button multiple times. If you want to charge these earphones, then you can connect it to any PC or a laptop, and I told you in the beginning that the power cable provided here is a micro USB cable, and I just feel that they should have at least given a Type-C port for charging. Apart from that, these earphones also support quick charge, and if you charge them for 15 minutes, then they are going to give you 1 hour of music playback. And now let's move on with the audio review. So now coming on to the most important part, which is the audio quality. But first of all, I didn't buy these earphones personally. In fact, one of my friend had actually bought these, and I borrowed these earphones from him to make a review, and the product was available for just 1 day with me. And in in that process, I actually forgot to record the quality of microphone. But yeah, if you have used any of the JBL product in the past, then the microphone quality is quite good. And if you are buying earphones from brand like JBL or Sony, you expect the basic functionality of the product to be very nice. Apart from that, if we talk about the audio quality, so it's same as if I say same as JBL T210 or T110 or C100 SI, or also JBL Endurance Run. So these are the earphones which have a typical JBL sound signature, typical JBL sound profile, which is kind of same in all these earphones. The only difference here comes is the bass. Endurance Run has the very good amount of bass and a very good amount of seal. T210 has a slightly more bass. T110 very less bass, and then finally JBL C100 SI, very compact bass and very good for vocals. But when you talk about the JBL Tune 165 BT, companies advertising them as bass oriented earphones, but in my opinion the bass was certain less as per my expectations, and at a price of around 2000 plus rupees, you expect the audio quality to be top notch. And that is the reason, if you check the reviews on Amazon, you will find that the audio reviews are not that good. I mean, they have a rating somewhere around 3 and 3.5, which is not at all impressive. But overall, it's a very decent product. I would say good treble, good audio clarity, which is quite expected from JBL, and very good for vocals. Overall, when I looked at the product, I realized that it's a very good gifting item. If you want to give these earphones to any girl or to your sister, they would be like more than happy with that. The colors are very trendy, and the design and build quality is top notch. These are very attractive, and I think they are just meant for calling. These are very good for calls, but if you are an audiophile and you know, looking for a very high-end earphones with a very good audio quality, so these are not the ones for you. So anyway, I hope you got the point, and there is nothing too much to actually speak about them. So anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.